The trial is now underway for the teenage squeegee worker accused of killing a man in downtown Baltimore last year. WJZ investigator Mike Kellgren has the latest developments from the Mitchell Courthouse.
Court began with the judge dismissing one juror who said he read about the case. An alternate juror was also dismissed because she had a prior commitment. Then both sides laid out their arguments. The defense told jurors Timothy Reynolds was angry at squeegee workers, pulled out a bat, and attacked them at the corner of Light and Conway last July. He took the law into his own hands, and it ended poorly for him, defense attorney J. Wendell Gordon said. He called it a case of road rage and said his client, a squeegee worker who was 14 years old at the time, was defending himself. They were children out there. You know who the adult was, Mr. Reynolds, he said.
This is what defense attorneys do when they have no case and no facts to support them. The drama, the theater, the distraction, it is literally what you do when you have no case. Manufacturing facts shamelessly without evidence.
While the prosecutor admitted Reynolds was upset, she urged jurors to hold the defendant accountable for his actions, for being in possession of that handgun, for using that handgun, firing and killing Mr. Reynolds. The prosecutor repeatedly pointed out how many times Reynolds was shot. You cannot overlook that Mr. Reynolds was shot dead. Shot not one time, but 5 times. She said video shows the defendant concealing his identity by pulling a mask over his face. And she said his DNA was found on the backpack where he retrieved the gun.
It's clear that Mr. Reynolds was shot seconds, moments after he's swinging the bat at least one time at these squeegee kids. It's very clear that he came across the 4 lanes of traffic, waving the bat at these kids in a menacing fashion. Even the author, the owner of the car where the video cam was mounted, indicated that he could see that there was some hostility, that there was anger there.
Jurors heard from several witnesses, including a Baltimore police detective, a UPS driver who witnessed the incident, and a man whose dash cam captured part of what happened. At the Mitchell Courthouse, Mike Kellgren, WJZ.